Have you ever wished you could combine your love for crafting with a secret for healthier, shinier hair? Today we will show you how to create this beautiful satin leaf. Hello everyone, welcome to Lagao, Nepal, and this is the craft. I'm using cup for circle. So from this circle we are going to make leaf. If you are making bunch of circle at once, don't forget to secure as shown in the picture with pin or thread. And today we will also uncover the amazing benefits satin has for our hair. Let's start crafting. You'll need a strip of satin fabric as shown in the picture, scissors, tweezers and thread and pin. Gather all the accessories you need to attach the leaf. Now, why I'm doing with this satin? It's not just for looks, it's a game changer for our hair health. Unlike cotton, which creates friction and gaps moisture, satin's smooth surface prevents static, minimizes tangles, and lets our hair glide freely. Satin provides a protective barrier, reducing that friction and preventing breakage and split ends. Not only do you get a gorgeous handcrafted accessory, but you are also protecting your damaged hair and your hair throughout the day. It's a win-win for the style and health. Satin is wonderfully made for hair health and it is beneficial for the hair also. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and give your hair the silky smooth treatment it deserves. Don't use other fabric for the hair and take care of your hair with satin fabric. And you can make it at home with your hand, and you don't need a sewing machine for this beautiful leaf design. You only need thread, hand and fabric at home. You can make it very easily. Thank you for watching this DIY. I hope it really helped you to make this. And let's attach this leaf with this red color satin rose. I find the red most attractive and the green is always adorable. Combining these two colors gives you elegance, gorgeousness, and also wearing this clip makes your hair looks far better and more attractive. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more DIYs and beauty tips. So today's video gonna be very beneficial for you as a beginner accessory maker, and you can make this beautiful flower at your home. And I would like to recommend you to watch the previous video of making rose satin DIY I have put in the channel. So please go and check for the roses and then come back to this DIY so that you could make a leaf. So make your own rose, make your own DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. May God bless you and give you a long life and give you happiness you deserve. And I wish the beautiness which we are seeing in this video, in this rose, may this will transform in your life. Thank you so much.